Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to upload guys how can we off vibrate while ringing setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to off guys your vibrate while ringing setting in your Poco phone, so can you can off it. And friends, now let's see how to off vibrate while ringing setting in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting guys. Click on sound and vibration guys, and again scroll. Then guys, you can see your vibrate setting. Friends, you can see vibrate while ringing setting guys. You want to off, so you can off from here. Then guys, your phone will not vibrate while ringing. So like that guys, you can turn off your vibrate while ringing setting in your Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your vibrate setting? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.